And today it's the 20th of June 2022. We have Ruotutorppa. Was it
Ruotutorppa.
Ruotutorppa? Ruotutorppa. I have to check that in Swedish what it was exactly, but we'll check it later.
Yeah.
It's here Kilon. Espoo, close to Leppävaara, Almeria here. In the Helsinki-Helsingfors region, Uusimaa, North Finland. It was built in 1994, turned 25 years old in 2019. December SA68 off of 8. We have so far filmed the staircase beam as well as this one. We will hopefully get to the staircase A&D as well at the same time. It will be inspected this year in 2022. Of course. The zero button has got to be a spare part. Must have been green before,
yeah.
Like P before here.
Inspected by Q inspected, maintained by Kone.
Yes. This one has got 5 floors. 6, we has 4 floors.
Yeah.
Also A has 4 floors, maybe D has also 5
Yeah.
floors. That's it. Oh, it likes.
That's